MLA barim jangka West Shillong uba Mohendro Rapsang minta kesengi lalit ben penyes no yelade shaka Bharatiya Janata Party haringkat bat kispa anggot kenong kesan. Hakani kesengi uba Rapsang ulo penyeso bat ke BJP la sakhilang ru da state president ke BJP Meghalaya unit urikman moment u menteri sorkar Jluk uba sanbor shulai na lor ki weipan. Kumban chukado bahau usnam 8,000 khat pra uba Rapsang ula job ningkong ke election na ka party congress bat ha ka election jo usnam arja apulai ula khunno na ka National People Party bat menta ka kinti ula penyeso no sha ka BJP. Menta ka sngi Lyngba ka jingrung uba Rapsang sha ka BJP kandang pen klan shu ya ka party bat khamtam ha West Shillong constituency namar ba udan ka ïadei ka bajan bha bat ki paidbah ong urikman ubade state president ka BJP Meghalaya. Nakaliang uba Mohendro Rapsang habakran ha kajingalang ulaong ngadap da kajingkemen bangala penyeso bat ke BJP menta kesngi bat hapo kajingalam u menteri rangba adu Narendra Modi ka India menta kalakiu stat baha ulaong.
Now, officially, Sri Mohendro Rapsang is a primary member of the Bharatiya
Good morning. Kindly be seated.
Joins BJP today with a commitment to serve the people with renewed purpose and dedication. His experience, his connect with the grassroots, and his willingness to work for Meghalaya's development will greatly our collective mission. We believe that when good people come together with a shared vision, transformation becomes inevitable. With Dr. Mukherjee's idea as our guiding light and with leaders like Sri Rapsang joining our journey, we move forward with great strength, unity and resolve. Let us rededicate ourselves to the service of our people and to the vision of a strong, harmonious and prosperous Meghalaya. Jai Hind, khubor and Mohendro.
My former colleague in the assembly, Mohendro Rapsang, former MLA of 18 South, 18 West, Shillong, his brother Rapsang, and we have inducted him in the party with effect from today. And I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all the mentors, the supporters, the well-wishers of Mohendro Rapsang who have come today to attend this induction program with all his supporters in presence of our president and all the officers of the BJP. So as I have said earlier, that since my childhood, I used to adopt my policy, work more, talk less. Only one message I want to share with you here is that my motto and the motto of the BJP is same: service to people is service to God. So if you read, it's my political and social experience. I used to have an ample time to read the holy books inside the flight when I travel outside my state and other part of the world. So I used to read the teaching of the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, Tripatai, or the Kantanga. It teaches us the same thing. it teaches that all living things in this earth, all living things, be it human being, animals, birds, insect, fish, or any living thing in this earth are being created only by one soul of God. So my friends, I am to share with you that if you cut the finger of Punjabi or Bihari or Bengali, Assamese, any community, if you compare it with the blood of Basanbor, is it different? It is same. We may belong to various faith and religion, caste, creed, religion, but remember we are created by only one soul of God. So hopefully that this message will go to everybody that if you read the teaching of the Constitution of India, also it teaches that we should love and respect secularism, not communalism. So that is the teaching of the founder, members of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and also the continuous teaching of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Hopefully with the joining of Mohendro with each and every one of you, we work together as a team. The Bible or all the holy books also it teaches that even to your enemy, you should not push him or you should not hate him. Based on my social and political experience, those opponents during my election since 1994 which I have contested, and till today I have won 9 elections in my political and social life. Even to enemy in the next election, last 2023 election, there are about more than 2,000 voters, they did not vote for me. But this time all those 2,000 guys are joining the BJP, they are joining us in vote. And hopefully next election there will be no candidate to contest against me. So all this inspiration are being given by our party central leader and none other than the good works of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So
take this significant step. I am honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The BJP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family. I will work for the progress of our state, our nation, and I seek the support and the blessing of everyone as I begin this new journey. I'll strive to make our journey together a story of progress, prosperity, a pride for Meghalaya and India. Jai Hind, thank you, Majila.